All right, here's how to solve an absolute value equation. The first critical part of the thing is that you need to isolate the absolute value sign. So this part here, you want to get on one side of the equal sign by itself. So the first thing I would do is lose this 3. So I'm going to add 3 to this side, add 3 to that side. So then I'll have 4 times the absolute value of x plus 10 is equal to 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. Whoops. I'll keep going with this question. It wasn't actually the question that was asked, but it's similar. Okay. Then I want to isolate that absolute value sign, so I have to divide by 4. So I'll divide this side by 4. Those will cancel. Divide this side by 4. So then I'll get x plus 10, the absolute value of that, is equal to 11 quarters. Now I want to get rid of the absolute value sign. And to do that, it's a special thing with absolute value signs, is you split it into 2 equations. So you lose the absolute value sign, and it splits into 2. So the first one will be x plus 10 equals a positive 11 quarters, and your second one will be x plus 10 is equal to a negative 11 quarters. Okay, so to solve this one on the right, I'll subtract 10 from each side. So I'll get x is equal to whatever that is, 11 quarters minus, that'd be 10 over 1, right? So I could make that 4. I'd have to multiply the top by 40. So that would be negative 29 over 4. Or if you divide that, it'd be like negative 7 1/4. Something like that. Okay, on the other side, I'll subtract 10 from both sides. So I'll get negative 11 quarters minus 40 over 4. So it'd be negative 51 over 4. Or if you divide that in there, that'll go 50, I don't know, 1 and 2 and 3/4. So negative 12 3/4. Okay, hopefully that helps you with solving an absolute value equation. Very important thing first is to isolate just the absolute value. So get that thing all by itself, and then split it into 2 equations where what's underneath there comes out, and it's equal to either a positive negative 11 quarters or a negative 11 quarters.